Another issue engiyibone ibalulekile ukuthi siyidiscuss indaba kaKurt Matlala nokufika kwakhe kwiMadlanga Commission. Zokhumbula last week bengithe uKurt Matlala ulindelekile ukuthi azokhuluma kwiMadlanga Commission, and so ufikile ke namhlanje ehamba nama-bodyguard, i-PKTT bikhona nayo imgadile, and engakakhulumi nje ubefike nama-lawyer akhe, and I can tell you now ama-lawyer akhe asebenzile for ukumdefenda kuleya issue because bewangafuni ukuthi akhulume ngenxa yokuthi kunama-document akade engakawaboni a-related to i-investigation ephezu kwaMatlala, so abakwazi ukuthi angakhuluma ngezinto angazazi, kumele azibone kuqala. Enye issue kade ebhekane nayo kakhulu was indaba yokuthi kunama-voice note akade edlalwa iMadlanga Commission, so bebengakwazi ukuthi bawalalele in time because amanye mada awukwazi ukulalele lo 1 minute odlalwe kuMadlanga Commission. Usually kumele uthole context yonke, uwamamele wonke njengoba enjalo, so bebakhala ngokuthi kunama-voice note angakawalaleli kahle, so kudinga isikhathi sokuthi ayowalalela nawo. And enye into is that uMatlala on Monday uya kwi-court, so akazokwazi ukuthi akhuluma izinto kanti ziyophinde yisetshenziswe court, so that's why they needed to know ukuthi yintoni le court eziphethe. And i-argument yakhona ibishisa kakhulu because kuze kwafika la khona sibone ngathi iloya kaMatlala iphakamisa ivoice iphakamisela uMadlanga, but uthe masekuthatha i-break makubuya wathi usethola i-message from someone, angazi noma someone amaziyo wathi, but it seems as if umuntu onenumber yakhe wamtshela ukuthi akushautwa ke la, so wabuye esexolisa ke u-Annelene iloya kaMatlala esho ukuthi again akusho ukuthi uyashouta, but ungumuntu othi mayikhuluma uyakhuluma ngathi uba ngumsindo, so it's not because uthetha uyamthethisa or what uMadlanga. NoMadlanga washo ukuthi no uya-understand because naye uke waba kuma-position akanjalo whereby babecabanga ukuthi uyathetha kanti akathethi. So kuyo yonke lento leyo i-team kaMatlala ibime ngendaba ka-section 35 of i-constitution. Uzokhumbula ukuthi i-constitution yethu inemthetho e-different, so u-35 ufocusa kakhulu kwindaba not kwigebengu, kubantu ababoshiwe, kubantu abasazoboshwa ababhekane nama-investigation athile ukuthi akumelanga bekhulume something ezobenza ibafake ecaleni more. So i-argument yabo was that if uMatlala uyakhuluma namhlanje uzokhuluma into ezom-implicator, kanti if esewabone wonke ama-documents against yena, then lento izokwazi ukumnceda ukuthi akwazi ukuphendula ngendlela e-right, ngendlela engeke imbeke kwi-disadvantage. And so bekuyiyona nje debate ekade inkulu kakhulu leyo ukuthi abafuna akhuluma uMatlala, and bekahle na uMatlala laphana ebukele engakhulumi lutho because ayikho question ekumele ayiphendule since ama-lawyer akhe awekho enough. And I can tell you now ukuthi uMatlala is very happy with ama-lawyer wakhe because they made sure ukuthi akakhuluma into ezom-implicator. Imagine if bekanama-lawyer ashesha give up when it comes to a heated argument, bekuzothola ukuthi aseyayeka uMatlala aphendule into angazazi az-implicate, because sometimes awuzizwa uma uzi-implicate ukuthi uyazi-implicate, ubona masekuhambe isikhathi ukuthi kahle kahle uzi-implicate la, so bamprotectile kuleyo nto leyo ukuthi akwazi ukuzisave. And another thing ekade ivele laphana was iside likaMadlanga, because nabo bebeyibuza umbuzo ukuthi kanti ubani othe sizom-interviewer, som-interrogator kuma-questions azom-incriminator, because zikhona ezinye into esingazikhuluma ezingeke zimfake ejayivini, but instead just uku-understanda i-surroundings. And if le question leyo uyibone ngathi yam-implicate, unalo ilungelo lokusho ukuthi le if ngiyayiphendula izonge-implicate, so why ningafuni siqhubeke. But kuyo yonke lento lena bagcine sebefaka i-application yokuthi bacela ukuthi icala li-postpone lonke because of bayabona ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi beqhubeke nale cala bengekho prepared, so they need to get prepared. And into enginotice kakhulu is that lento yama-delays le ibuye ngathi isi-intentional kakhulu, because every time abantu they come to i-commission and they want ama-postponement nani because they feel ukuthi abekho ready. And in a way I feel ukuthi imosha isikhathi sikaMadlanga, because most of the time abantu they thought ukuthi as time goes by iMadlanga izophelelwa isikhathi, because if yakhumbula ibiphelelwa manje ngoJuly, so they thought ukuthi izophelelwa isikhathi then bekwazi ukuthi besinde ngaleyo ndlela, so ya-extendwa. So that's why-ke manje abantu bathola ngathi abekho prepared enough yonke le nto le. And enye i-issue ade bedila nayo kakhulu was i-issue kaPadiak, but yena istory ezanaso ngisasilinde just ukuthi siphelele so that sikwazi ukusibreaka down kahle, si-understande ukuthi i-argument yakhe ithini kuyo yonke le nto ade isho ukuthi oKhumalo ba-corrupt. So i-argument ibime nje lapho. I want to play i-video right now, nike nizibonele i-video where iMadlanga Commission, uMadlanga ekule argument with u-Annelien oyi-leader yama-lawyers kaMatlala.
But I can only tell you, as an officer of the court, which of us...
No, I will not give you time when you seem not to understand me. I am saying, I'm not interested in the nitty-gritty of what falls under the Section 35 bucket. I'm not interested in that nitty-gritty. I'm looking at the broader question of, on those issues on which there is no question whatsoever, which can be dealt with by this commission, and you've agreed that there are. On those questions, why can't those questions be heard before the criminal process has been finalized? Whether, even accepting, as you argue, that there are some issues coming out of the plea deal which fall under the Section 35 basket, even accepting that, you have said there are some which do not fall under that basket, and my focus is only on those aspects that do not fall under that basket. So clearly, what you've just said about the plea deal